Hi guys, welcome back to the channel with Toon and Leigh, and it's the long anticipated Q&A with Toon. So if you've ever wondered what's in the mind of a Thai woman, you're just about to get an insight into it. It is definitely a dangerous place to go. I have no idea what's in my wife's mind. So I've been looking forward to this video, as I'm sure you have. Right then, the first question is by PS. Toon, what's your favourite tool to use on the farm and why?
I think it's knife for cut the weed, and if Leigh be naughty, I can chop him up as well.
Question number 2 from Knitting Joseph. Personal question. Don't laugh at his name. Personal question. You don't have to answer if inappropriate. Why you guys don't have kids?
Maybe because Leigh got no sperm on it. I think. Okay.
That it?
We would all like to have a kid, but Leigh already got 2 kids, and that's it. His sperm gone. He got no more sperm to make a kid. พอแล้ว
Question number 3 from Greg. Toon, how do you put up with all Leigh's blah-de-blah while you are working your backside off? Outrageous question.
No, because before he don't know how to work, but after we talk with immigration, he can work, and after that, he can't be blah-de-blah anymore. I'm the one blah-de-blah behind him.
Question number 4 from Loso. What do you see in Leigh apart from being wealthy, handsome, intelligent, and hung like a budgie?
He not rich. He clever, yeah. Sometimes. Handsome, I don't know is but yeah, you're right. Well, the budgie mean penis. I can't say he need penis or no. Is it penis? Maybe it's balance with me. I got a nip farm, isn't it?
Question number 5 from Eddie Bright. Does Leigh really like your cooking, Toon, or is he just hamming for the camera? Can we see more cooking videos, please?
He like my cooking or not, I'm not sure, but he have to. He have to like it. He got no choice. If he say he not like it, he have to sit down watching me eating everything I cook. Then he just got one penis. Not penis, just one penis each day. So he got no choice. The cooking video will come in, but yeah, I want to think about really, really good menu for everyone can cook and fun ingredient and enjoy with it.
Question number 6 from Thailand Heron. Toon, how do you keep your nails so long working on the farm? My wife breaks hers doing the washing up.
How can I keep my nail long? Because I'm not cutting them. My nail quite very hard and strong actually. But I don't know, maybe I eat a lot calcium like mussel, prawn, fish, Yeah, I think so. In UK, I got more long nail, but I not really paint them or polish them. But when I work a lot of time, they make me work hard. I break a lot.
This is question 7 and 8 from Vince. And Toon, does Leigh make the bed and help with the washing up?
After we married for a few years. Anyway, easy to say, after we left UK, he never ever touched any dishes or washing clothes. No more. Soon wake up, he goes stoking crayfish, duck, dog. It just made me work hard all time. He don't ever touch anything. No watching. No.
Question number 8 from Fidelity Quester. I was wondering if you would talk about your experience going to school in the local community and maybe even give us a tour of your old school and see how they're doing.
I'm not really understand much, but yeah, I love to go to school, but I'm not finished school when I'm younger. It's a year 6, isn't it? For the higher many years ago. I'm not finished year 6 for myself because I'm go work building with my mom in Bangkok, and I got no money to come back for finish it. So when I come back from UK, I sweet mildly to go finish my year 6. So he yes, okay with it. Then when I finish, teacher asked me to be teacher. I just say no, I love work farm. Because on a farm, I can use job all night to bend with anything, cut anything. I say to teacher, thank you, but I don't want to smack any student on the head when I'm moody. I can't be teacher. I'm not. My school quite far away, be about 1 hour and a half from here to my own school. So I don't think anyone remember me now, and old teacher different now. And they're far away. I think I'll show you around the farm for it, okay? Thank you.
Question number 9 from Joe Starr. In the last 6 months on the farm, what is your biggest success and biggest failure? And knowing what you know now, what would you have done differently?
Next time, can you use easy word for me? I'm not really clever to listen that. Okay. We're happy with the bamboo. We're not happy with the weed. And what?
What would we do differently?
What we do different? We really not do different. It's the rain doing it. Okay, now we got so many breeds. What can we change or what?
If we knew that the weeds were going to be this bad, what would we have done?
Or if I know going to be this bad weed, I'm gonna sweet mildly to get my toy ghost. I want ghost. Ghost? Yeah, ghost is number 1 how we cut the weed, isn't it? Okay.
I think so.
I don't know.
Our final question, which is number 10, and it's Sneaky Vince. He's popped another one in here. Well, it's 2 actually, again. So, how did you two lovebirds meet and become kindred spirits?
How we both met? I'm working, Leigh holiday. I know what people think women come from Pattaya. Everyone can think wherever they want. We meet each other is by eye to eye. That's how we met. And soon we met, we just talk to each other about our life for 24 hours. No sleep, just talking. I know about him, he know about me in 24 hours. Just somehow, heart to heart, just click in. So maybe it's the right time, I think. Yeah, we both single when we met, but we're not looking for love, but I don't know how it's click on. And yeah, somehow Eva don't think about. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna marry again, and I don't think Leigh gonna get married again. And we both talk. He don't wanna marry. I don't wanna marry. 24 hours passed. I don't know, somehow we say yes to each other. You know, it's a little bit crazy, but 24 hours in love. Cool, isn't it? If anyone wanna hear about love more longer, I can tell you about 48 hours. But I think that another time, when face to face, I can't answer much on a video, but thank you everyone for the question, and I try to do my best to answer it. I hope everyone okay. Thank you.
And a sneaky bonus question from your husband, that's Leigh. Couple of weeks now since your thyroid treatment. How's it going and how do you feel?
How it's go? I don't think it's go. I don't think they're going yet. I think you can see what I feel like. Much a day, but I will get stronger and stronger. Okay.
Thanks for watching, guys. And if you like this video and you'd like another question and answer with Toon later in the future, then just leave a comment below and we'll start firing your questions in. We'll keep them to one side. Thanks for watching.
Ta-da for now. Hard question, isn't it?
I know, you see, you put 4 questions in.